I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for a tax extension on TurboTax. Filing an extension gives you extra time to submit your tax return, usually an additional 6 months. However, it's crucial to remember that an extension does not grant you more time to pay any taxes you owe. The standard deadline for filing an extension is April 15th, so it's important to act before then. TurboTax makes this process straightforward and simple for you. To begin, simply log in to your TurboTax account. Once inside, look for the option to file an extension. You'll then be prompted to enter some basic personal details and provide an estimate of your tax liability. Don't worry if your estimate isn't exact. It's just an approximation. TurboTax will then prepare and electronically file Form 4868, which is the official request for an extension, directly with the IRS on your behalf. Remember, while an extension gives you an extra 6 months to file your return, it does not extend the time to pay your taxes. Any estimated taxes you owe must still be paid by the original tax deadline, which is usually April 15th. If you fail to pay on time, you could face penalties for late payment and interest charges on the unpaid amount. It's always best to pay what you can to avoid these additional costs. After you've filed your extension through TurboTax, you'll receive a confirmation once the IRS has accepted it. This confirmation is your proof that the extension was successfully submitted. Use the additional 6 months wisely to gather all your necessary tax documents, organize your records, and ensure accuracy. Be sure to plan ahead and file your complete tax return well before the extended deadline, which is typically October 15th.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.